A man standing at a point P is watching the top of a tower, which makes an angle of elevation of 30 degrees with the man's eye. The man walks some distance towards the tower to watch its top and the angle of the elevation becomes 60 degrees. What is the distance between the base of the tower and the point P? Answer is, let's denote the initial distance between the man's position, point P, and the tower as x. After the man walks some distance towards the tower, let's say he walks a distance y. And the new distance between the man's position and the tower becomes x minus y. When the man is at point P and observes the top of the tower, it forms a right triangle with the tower and the line of sight from the man's eye to the top of the tower. The angle of elevation is 30 degrees. When the man moves towards the tower and observes the top again, it forms another right triangle with the tower and the new line of sight from the man's eye to the top of the tower. The angle of elevation is now 60 degrees. Let h be the height of the tower. Using trigonometry, we can set up the following equations. For the first right triangle, initial position, tan, 30 degrees, equals h by x. For the second right triangle, after moving towards the tower, tan, 60 degrees, equals h by x minus y. Now, we can use these equations to find the values of x and y. Tan, 30 degrees, equals 1 by square root 3, approximately 0.5774. So, from the first equation, 0.5774 equals h by x equals h by 0.5774. Next, let's find the value of tan, 60 degrees, tan, 60 degrees, equals square root 3, approximately 1.7321. Now, using the second equation, 1.7321 equals h by x minus y. Substitute the value of x from the first equation, 1.7321 equals h by 0.5774 minus y. Now, solve for y. Y equals 0.6667 into h. Now, we have the value of y in terms of h. To find the distance between the base of the tower and point P, we need to find the value of x minus y. Y equals h by 0.5774 minus 0.6667 into h. Y equals h into 1.0654. So, the distance between the base of the tower and point P is approximately 1.0654 times the height of the tower, h. Height of the tower must be given, so data is incomplete.